And this, my friends, is Helen furnace. We will get out and explore and learn about Helen furnace. I gotta tell you, Pennsylvania smells so nice out in the country here. Okay, there we go. Here's some information. Helen furnace, one of the numerous iron furnaces in Clarion County, was built in 1845 on the Alexander McNaughton farm by Robert Baker and William Packer. This cold blast furnace was operational until 1857. In 1856, within a 26-week period of operation, the furnace generated 1,000 tons of iron. That's a lot. Final ownership of the furnace belonged to Samuel Wilson. Dimensions of the furnace are 32-inch high, 12 foot across at the top, 30 foot across at the bottom, and had an 8-foot Bosch, whatever a Bosch is. Pretty cool. I'm glad it's still standing. And there it are. This is nice. Here's some more information. Oh, it doesn't look legible. What a shame. Basically, probably says the same. So, there's the old girl. Pretty cool, huh? There's a deer over here. They're everywhere. I think it's a deer. Go inside. Take a looky-loo. I came here with a friend several years ago. She freaked out. Uh-oh, somebody didn't pick up their poo bag. And she freaked out. She was like, I can't believe you went in there. There could be snakes and spiders. Pretty cool looking. That is cool. This is pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Wow. Let's go walk up to the top. Is this how you get there? Because I haven't done enough walking today, apparently. There we go. Wow. Almost looks Egyptian in a way. What did I scare off of here? I don't know. Oh, can you get to the top? I guess maybe not. I thought maybe there was a walkway to the top, but don't think so. That's okay. I think I've done enough mountain climbing for the day. How cool is that, though? How cool is that? Get my phone and take some pictures. Sure why there's a hole. This thing is massive. Pretty awesome. Wow. Anything else up here? I think it's just a mode field. There is nothing to see here. Oh, I bet that's going to be a cool shot. There we go. Alrighty. I have managed to find what that destroyed sign, that weathered sign said online. I found the information online. So Clarion County, PA, built 1845. It has the coordinates. Helen Furnace was originally named Heiland Furnace, was one of 31 iron furnaces in the Iron County of Clarion County, a leader in the iron boom from 1828 through the middle of the century. The furnace was rebuilt in 1977 and is situated in a park with pavilions and benches located at the top of the hill. The following is from the informational sign at Helen Furnace. That is the sign that is too weathered to read. Robert Baker and William S. Packer erected the furnace at the State and Clarion Road crossing on the old McNaughton farm in 1845. The builders named it Heiland Furnace in honor of Alexander McNaughton, who prided himself in being a Highlander, but the word being pronounced after the Scottish dialect Heiland. Pronunciation, Scottish accent, was Heiland in parenthesis. The name was corrupted to Helen Furnace, leading to the erroneous supposition that it was christened with a feminine name. The name of the township was the same origin and is the name of the township was the same origin. It is commonly but incorrectly pronounced Helen Township. In 1850, it was owned by W.S. Packer and Company. On Barber and Packer's failure, the property for a short time was in the hands of David Ritchie and was finally purchased by Samuel Wilson, with whom
D. McKim of Strattonville, Clarion County, Pennsylvania, was a partner for a while. The property was passed on to the hands of Samuel Wilson, who ran it till 1857. It was a 2-tier cold blast charcoal furnace with an 8-foot Bosch, 32 feet high, and powered by steam. In 26 weeks of 1856, it produced 756 tons of iron out of burstone coal, measure ore mined back of the tunnel head. The furnace was reconstructed in 1977. Capacity in tons, 1,500. Kind of ore, argillous carbonate. Number of men and boys employed, 100. Number of horses and mules employed, 70. Stack number tiers, 2. Stack Bosch, 9 feet. Stack height, 32 feet. Kind of power used, steam. Kind of metal made, close gray iron. Largest product, 1,500 tons. Actual product in 1849, 1,000 tons.
You know what's cool? Somebody left some smelt here. Hey, that's pretty cool that somebody did that. First I thought it was coal. Hey, that's awesome. Thank you to whoever did that. That's pretty cool.